Would you like to use social media to generate more real estate leads? Well, try Instagram polls. They are a great way to generate leads, and I'm going to give you the details on why, how, and even some examples in today's video. Hey there, I'm Lisa Swaza, your marketing technology director with My Home, here with today's Nerd Nugget, your bite-sized marketing technology tip that you can implement into your business today. Today, we're talking about Instagram polls, a very simple but powerful tool that you can use to spark conversations on social, engage your audience, and even identify potential buyers or sellers without being weird or salesy. So I love Instagram polls because they're quick, they're fun and interactive, and they're really low pressure. So they're a great way to start conversations with your audience. And then instead of just pushing out content, you're inviting engagement, which is what social is all about, right? I think polls are super fun to do and create as a content creator, but they're also really strategic for you as a lead generating opportunity because by asking the right mix of questions, you can actually gauge interest in the market by different audience members. You can spark curiosity for people about real estate, and then you're keeping your audience engaged with fun content, which helps the algorithm, right? So how do you create an Instagram poll? You have to do it through your stories. So when you open up Instagram, you want to go to the create button and then hit story. So from there, for your background photo, you can upload a photo or just use a background color. And then you want to tap the sticker icon and then select the poll sticker. This is where you're going to create your question and then customize the answer choices. And so I'll show you exactly some examples, but then you're going to want to resize and reposition that poll however you want. Click the share button and you're live. Easy, right? So now let me give you some examples of different polls you can use. Here are 3 poll questions you could use to identify potential buyers or sellers. So number 1, if rates drop tomorrow, would you consider buying a home? Yes, I've been waiting, or nope, not right now. Number 2, have you checked your home's value online in the past 6 months? Yes, curious what it's worth, or nope, should I? Number 3, what's your biggest obstacle to buying a home? Saving for a down payment or finding the right home? Now, when someone engages with these polls and you can see the answers, then for those people that are opportunities, you could just DM them something casual. Hey, I saw you voted that you're curious about your home's value. Would you like me to send you a quick update, or would you like to have a conversation? Ask for their email address or whatever you want to do in that way. The other thing you can do is mix in some other just fun, light real estate polls as well to keep engagement high, but and keep people used to engaging with you and that real estate content to reinforce that's what you do, right? Dream home feature. Which one are you? Home theater, wine cellar. That's an example. Or which one is a bigger deal breaker? No garage, no backyard. So these are great answers for you to do consumer research so you see what people are interested in. It's a great way to keep them engaged. So I've seen these work and surface leads or conversations that can lead to business. So I love polls. I would say if you haven't used them yet, add them to your social strategy. Do at least once a week. Be consistent and then see how they start generating these conversations for you. Now, if you love the idea of using Instagram polls, but you feel like you need some idea, try ChatGPT. You can ask ChatGPT. You can use My Home Prompts, which is our proprietary prompt engine for real estate agents developed by My Home. Hope this information was helpful. Hope you tried poll. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.